Chicham Bridge, connecting dreams across the abyss. Imagine a bridge that defies gravity, spanning a valley so deep it could swallow the tallest skyscrapers. Welcome to Chicham Bridge, where engineering meets poetry, and humanity reaches across the void. Nestled in the rugged Spiti Valley of Himachal Pradesh, India, Chicham Bridge stands tall at an elevation of 13,000 feet, 3,962 meters. It's not just a bridge, it's a lifeline connecting to remote villages, Kibber and Chicham. These villages were once isolated, their inhabitants cut off from the world during harsh winters. But this bridge changed everything. Picture this, a slender steel ribbon suspended over a 1,000-foot abyss. The bridge sways gently in the mountain breeze, daring you to cross. It's like a spider spun its web across the Himalayas. But unlike a spider, engineers meticulously calculated every angle, every bolt, and every cable. The journey from Shimla to Chicham is an adventure itself. Covering approximately 450 kilometers, you'll wind through the scenic Kinnaur Valley, cross high mountain passes, and drive on narrow, unpaved roads. The distance from Shimla to Kaza, the headquarters of Spiti Valley, is about 420 kilometers and takes about 16 hours. From Kaza, you can do half-day trip to Chicham Bridge, which is about 15 kilometers away. Chicham Bridge is not just a feat of engineering, it's a testament to human resilience. As you step onto its swaying deck, remember the villagers who walk it daily, their hopes and fears echoing through its cables. Chicham Bridge, where sky meets earth, and dreams meet reality. Thanks for watching, and if you have enjoyed this tale, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fascinating stories. Until next time.